Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Hello, we're back again. If you made it this far, or it's the first video, there's 2 videos today. Pretty sick, but we're in lockdown again. What is that about? Who knows? But on the plus side, you're gonna have a lot of me entertaining you, which is sick. Now, popcorn chicken, or PopQuorn chicken. Sick idea. In fact, my missus, who's vegetarian, said it was too much like KFC. So I'm gonna take that as a massive compliment. So yeah, here's how to make it. Like and subscribe, do your thing.
Well, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get a Quorn. Well, we don't want Quorn mince, that's ridiculous. Right, try again, it all looks the same. Quorn pieces. Now these are little diced cubes of Quorn, soy-based, whey, milky, eggy protein. Anyway, it's vegetarian. It's lovely if you do the right things with it. You're gonna pick out your bits, your little bits, lovely jubbly. Now a lot of people don't like Quorn, see them there? It's like anything, if you don't know how to get the flavour into it, you're done out here. Now we're gonna make our flour, our coating. You need plain flour, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, thyme, garlic powder, and flour. We're laughing. Oh yeah, you're gonna need some salt as well, most likely. 4 tablespoons of flour. You're talking a teaspoon of garlic powder, no messing. If you don't cook with garlic, you just lose. You're losing. You loser. About a tablespoon of all-purpose, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of thyme. Thyme's very important with chicken. Goes lovely. Give that a mixer, blender. See how it changes colour. Lovely jubbly. Now this is what we'll coat the Quorn in. See that there? Half a tablespoon of salt, pink Himalayan preferably. Season up the ting. Lovely jubbly. Yes man, white pepper. I'd say that's half a teaspoon. White pepper, also important. God, can we just reason with the season? Now that's done, we're gonna get an egg. Now this is to substitute the fact you don't have the moist outside on the Quorn. The chicken has the moisture on the outside of it, but because it's Quorn, we're gonna bang it in some egg. Now fill a decent sized saucepan with veg oil, sunflower oil, don't matter. I don't fry food. I can't be dealing with the smell and ting, but for this occasion, we're gonna make PopQuorn chicken. So let's pattern up. Bang your Quorn straight in your egg, mix it with your fingers, no messing, make sure that's all soaked up, lovely. Drop it in your flour, your seasoned flour. Now you can just use salt and pepper flour if you want. If you don't like the different notes of flavour, that's on you, but we're making PopQuorn chicken. PopQuorn, man. We're gonna coat all this up now. Yeah, man, just make sure, just leave it for 30 seconds, let all that egg soak up the flour, and boom. See them spider webs? Check it with the flour, see if it's hot. That is hot enough, yeah? If you ain't got a temperature probe or anything like that, now coat your Quorn, see it there? Make sure it's all soaked up and nice. We're not gonna drop it in just as is. You're gonna want a nice coating on there, and then boom, drop in. Whoa, it's gonna take literally 2 minutes. 2 minutes each round. Like if you're doing a lot of them, fair play, but I'm making like 12 or so. I'm not really that bothered, but yeah, just drop it in, let it sizzle, use your hands because you're a bad man in this thing. Splash guard, of course, I don't like to make a mess of my hob. Now this is about 2 minutes in. See how it starts to float and the bubbles are it's just coating it. It's just lovely. 5 minutes in, that's 5 minutes in, it's cooked, 100% ready. Oh my lord. Get your tongies. Now it's out. Look at that. PopQuorn chicken, ladies and gentlemen. That's PopQuorn. Double whammy this evening. Sunday evening, you know how we do. Look at that. Coated up, looks like PopQuorn chicken to me. Now we're going to test it on an actual vegetarian. The wife! We have a fully fledged vegetarian in the build. It smells like KFC in here, to be fair. Try one. Let me know what you think.
Lovely.
Look. Oh, it's lovely. It's lovely. She said it was lovely. I think it was lovely. Chicken, PopQuorn chicken. As we all know, we're in lockdown again, so I'm going to be making bare videos. So if there's anything you want to see, anything you want to learn, anything you want from the channel, drop a comment, Flavor Chasers, and we'll smash it together. Stay safe, stay strong, mentally, physically, all of that. Love you lot. Bow.
Neighbor Station.